Hello friend, welcome to BI Knowledge Point. Today I am here to explain you how to connect PDF data through Tableau. Let's begin. So just open your Tableau desktop and then go to data section, then select new data source. Later on come to file side and then select to PDF file. So click here and then browse where you kept your PDF file. So I'm just going to browsing and then we have to write like a data should collect from one page to page or some range, start range or end range, that also we can give. So at present I am going to give 2 page. So just clicking here. Now since we know like a PDF have multiple kind of the data like textual description, graph, tabular, so we have to know like which page we have the data, so that page we have to drop and drag in this section. So I know like I have data in page number 1 and 2, so I'm going to drop and drag. So I'm just dropping and dragging here. So when I drop and drag, now we can see the data. Through this data we can generate the any kind of the report. So in the next session I will explain you how to create a report through this data. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Catch you in next video.